Hello, in this video I want to show you how to activate a system lock on Allview Smart TV. And to do this, first we'll need to click on menu button right here on our remote, then move to the right into the system lock, click on it, activate your system lock, and now you will need to enter a password. Make sure to write down this password somewhere or just to remember it. I'm gonna go with simple password, which is 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now our system lock should activate. Yep, it is. And then we can manage our channel lock, parental guidance, key lock, or hotel mode. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.